But these guys have been here since they were tough. They're about 10 years old now. They've been here for quite a while. So the average life has been around 15 years.
Looks good to eat. Looks good to eat. Jeez, they love that food, do they? Oh my god, that looks like it's so big. So soft. Like, it's just how good it is.
Alright, you guys make pretty good work of eating. 10 pounds between them two. So, we're going to go down to the